What's happening, everybody? Over at Mike's, gonna be working on the Steiger's CR250R. Just got a couple of things left we're doing to it. He wanted to get some new stuff to put on it, get it freshened up for spring. So he's been ordering parts, and me and Mike have been putting them on, helping him out. He's keeping beer in the refrigerator, so it's all cool. So anyway, tonight we're gonna be working on his carburetor. Gonna give it a sonic bath, clean it up, just get all the stuff out of there. It's been sitting for a while, so freshen that thing up, get it ready to go, and put it back right here where it belongs. Let's take a look inside. Got all the screws out, loosen up. Let's have a look. Yum. Hey, not bad.
No, pretty clean. Looks pretty good.
Alright, into the bath it goes. Got the sonic bath going. We're in the other part of the garage, a little bit darker, but it's it's on, doing its thing. Let that go on that side, flip the carburetor over, get the other half, be good to go. Sonic bath complete. This thing's ready to be put back together. It's nice and clean. All the parts are all cleaned up. And went through and blasted with some compressed air. So yeah, just everything's good. I got some new rubber to put in. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back together. Hello. Alright, we got that thing all taken care of. That is cleaned up, installed, ready to go. Got some other things done here. He got some new tires. These are the Dunlop Geomax MX 552s, yeah. And went ahead and painted those. Got them all looking real good with an ink pen. And new chain. Got new sprockets. Got those all on. Those look good. And the front tire is, we don't have that installed on there just yet, but it's set, ready to go. It looks good. And oh yeah, he also got a new exhaust pipe. Check out this pipe. So
Is it gnarly or is it bad?
I think this one is gnarly. FMF gnarly. So that looks really good. His old one, do you have the old one? Right over there. Look at these dents on this thing. Oh man. This is crazy. So I mean, could have tried to get some of that out of there. That's you know, not too bad. But look at this one over here. Jeez, that one's
pretty gnarly.
That's got a nice bend in it. So open flow. That's going to provide a lot better performance for him there. So yeah, we're just going to get the silencer put on here. Kind of get everything battened back. Oh yeah, I forgot. And I got a seat cover. New seat cover. It's real grippy. Pretty cool. So looks good. So the next time, yeah, we're almost done with this. I think we're just gonna I'll change the fork oil out, and yeah, that's pretty
good.
That'll pretty much be it. Yeah.
Shock, he did the shock too.
Yeah, he had that shock.
Service.
Put new nitrogen in there. Get that PSI up, bumped up to 175. So yeah, the next time you see this bike. Next video,
out of my garage.
It'll be out of your garage and it'll be on the trail. It's gonna be good stuff.